guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, able to get from the My Little Pony puzzle in Heartopia. Go to Little Pony Connection. You will get this super cute outfit for your pet. So let's put it on my new pet. Hello everybody, meet Burnt Toast. I finally got the cat I wanted and I'm very happy. It took me like almost a month, no, probably a few weeks to actually get her. And yeah, let's go to pet and put her in the costume. How cute. Look at my little burnt toast. I'm sorry, I love the cat more than the dog. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.